Welcome to Motor Masters, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and iconic microcars ever made, the 1953 BMW Isetta. This little bubble car became a symbol of post-war mobility and remains one of the quirkiest vehicles ever produced. Originally designed by the Italian company Isetta, BMW acquired the rights to manufacture the Isetta in 1954 and gave it their own engineering twist. The BMW Isetta featured a single-cylinder, 247 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine that produced 12 horsepower, allowing it to reach a top speed of around 50 miles per hour, 80 km/h. While that may not sound fast, it was perfect for city driving in an era where fuel efficiency and affordability were top priorities. One of the most striking design elements of the BMW Isetta was its front opening door, which was unlike anything else on the market. The entire front panel, including the windshield, served as the entry and exit point, making it incredibly compact. Inside, it had just enough space for two passengers, and due to its small size, it was classified as a three-wheeler in some countries to take advantage of lower taxes. BMW's version of the Isetta was heavily modified from the Italian original, featuring better engineering, improved reliability, and a more efficient engine. The car's fuel consumption was an astonishing 3.9 liters per 100 kilometers, around 60 mpg, making it one of the most economical vehicles of its time. Despite its size, the Isetta had a surprisingly spacious interior due to its minimalist design, and its bubble-like windows provided excellent visibility. With over 160,000 units sold, the Isetta became a massive success, helping BMW survive financial struggles in the 1950s. Its small footprint and low running costs made it ideal for urban commuters. However, by the early 1960s, increasing demand for faster, more spacious cars led to its decline. Today, the BMW Isetta is a beloved classic, frequently seen in museums and car shows. Its quirky design and historical significance have cemented its place as one of the most recognizable microcars ever built. Whether you're a collector or just an automotive enthusiast, the Isetta remains a testament to BMW's ingenuity and adaptability. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more exciting automotive content, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on classic and modern cars.